from Grand Country Music Hall in Branson, Missouri. It's Branson Country USA. Join your hosts, Mike Patrick and Jamie Hagee, as they welcome tonight's great lineup.
That's right, guys. The legendary Sons of the Pioneers.
Along with regulars New South, Jackie Brown, Melody Hart, and the Rhinestone Mafia. Stay tuned for 1 hour of grand fun.
Branson Country USA.
And now, let's go to the stage with your hosts, Mike Patrick and Jamie Hagee.
Hi. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Branson Country USA. We got a big show tonight.
I am very excited about this show. The guy just kind of said it, but the Sons of the Pioneers are here tonight. Isn't that incredible? But you know who's also here tonight? The Wild Bunch right there. Good to see you guys. Right here is a very special lady. This is Judy Adams, everybody. She's one of our Wild Bunchers. She's one of our biggest fans and supporters, and she's moving away. This is her last show. She'll be back, but I mean, this is her last show regularly with us, moving to Wichita, Kansas.
Yes.
Isn't there a prison out there?
Yes.
Close.
She's
Okay.
going to be an RN, like head of the nursing.
Well, and that's how you met her, right? She was your nurse?
Oh, yes.
Tell them this story.
A couple of years ago, I had a little problem. I went in to see the doctor, and of course, they don't, you see the nurse first and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So I get in there, and Judy comes into the room as the nurse.
Nurse
that was
Judy.
working for the doctor there. And she flipped off the lights and said, "Take off all your clothes." And I hadn't been to the doctor in a long time. I thought,
That's the way they do it.
maybe that's the
Take
way
off
they
all
do
your
it now
clothes.
for insurance or whatever. I don't know. So I took off my clothes and I stood there for a minute. And I said, "What do you want me to do with my clothes?" And she said, "Put them in the corner with mine."
We love you. We love you. She's a good girl. Give me a handshake. I love you. Hi to all the folks watching on TV. Hi to all the folks listening on radio. Hey, our good friends down there in Bearville, Arkansas.
Bearville.
My favorite Pizza Hut in the world is in Bearville. They listen to us on KTHS. That's 107.1 on the FM dial. Say howdy, Bearville.
Oh,
Perfect.
yeah,
Like
Brian Wood
locals.
lives down there, you
I
know.
know. Oh, yeah.
And he loves quartet singing, and we're going to have it right now. How about it for New South? Sing for Brian Wood.
Oh, welcome to the show, everybody. She's got the look of an angel in love. She's got the face dreams are made of. You may get lost in the magic of her eyes. She's a walking heartache in disguise. She's a walking heartache in disguise. She's nothing more than a memory. In time I'm sure I'll forget. I'll get rid of that memory, but I haven't yet. She'll outshine the stars on a moonlit night. She'll make you think everything's alright. You can't read her mind by looking in her eyes. She's a walking heartache in disguise. She's a walking heartache in disguise. Oh, let's hear it for Chad Cath on the lead guitar. She's got the look of an angel in love. She's got the face dreams are made of. You may get lost in the magic of her eyes. She's a walking heartache in disguise. She's a walking heartache in disguise. She's a walking heartache in disguise. Oh, thank you very much. Little Statler Brothers for you right there. And we're going to do another Statler Brothers song. Matter of fact, this was their first big hit song back in 1966. It was written by their original tenor singer, Lou DeWitt. This was their biggest song they ever did. Hope you enjoy. You're going to recognize this one. Here we go. nothing to do. Last night I dressed in tails pretending I was on the town. As long as I can dream, it's hard to slow the swinger down. So please don't give a thought to me, I'm really doing fine. You can always find me here, I'm having quite a time. Counting flowers on the wall, that don't bother me at all. Playing solitaire till dawn with a deck of 51. Smoking cigarettes and watching Captain Kangaroo. Now don't tell me I've nothing to do. It's good to see you, I must go, I know I look a fright. Anyway, my eyes are not accustomed to this light, and my shoes are not accustomed to this hard concrete. So I must go back to my room and make my day complete. Counting flowers on the wall, that don't bother me at all. Playing solitaire till dawn with a deck of 51. Smoking cigarettes and watching Captain Kangaroo. Now don't tell me I've nothing to do. Now don't tell me I've nothing to do.
Mark with David there. Good job, guys. Good job on that. That's one you have to count on.
It is.
You use your fingers, your toes.
I'd have to take my boots off to get through
Yeah,
that.
absolutely. Anyway, how about Amber Gene Mulvaney over there? You got already had a solo.
He got an extra lick in there, didn't he?
He's the sponsor of this portion of the show with the Branson guest card. Hey, it's April 2022. It's time to get your new Branson guest card. They're rolling off the presses now. I've already got mine. Thank you, Gene. I'm using it each and every day. It's a great discount card. There's 110 show discounts, 200 dining discounts, shopping and attractions. Jamie, where can we use it?
You got time, I'll tell you.
Well, we got time.
Cheeky Monkey.
Yep.
165, Highway 165, right across the street here at Craig's Crazy Treehouse.
Yep.
You can use it at both places. It's the same deal there with your guest card. You can get one entree, get one half off.
It's
That's
a good deal.
Buy one, get one half.
Check it out at BransonGuestCard.com where you save more and spend less. You know, the real new one's coming out, new deals this year. Got anything on gas?
Oh,
Have you got gas?
You got gas? Oh, you mean discount?
Because you know gas is so expensive.
Oh, it is. It's
gas
awful.
is so high. Gas prices are so high. I saw Dolly Parton carpooling with Jolene.
Wow, we got booze on this side
Yeah.
and laughs on this side.
You're fickle. They're just fickle.
They're just fickle.
We're going to take a break and talk to you people.
Oh, yeah, we're going to straighten this all out. We'll be back with some more music, though, right after this with more Branson Country USA.
When you're ready for an amazing night of entertainment, it's time for the Grand Jubilee. With tight harmonies and your favorite songs, you'll fall in love with Branson's best quartet, New South. Along with the power vocals of Jackie Brown, Jim Dandy and Mike Patrick will keep you absolutely doubled over in laughter. The Grand Jubilee is Branson's most entertaining show. Ask anybody. For tickets and information, call Grand Country Music Hall at 417-335-2484 or visit grandcountry.com.
Hello from Beyond the Lens in Branson, Missouri. Experience entertainment through technology. We call it Technotainment. Interactive games, amazing photo ops, and intriguing exhibits for the entire family. While checking into your hotel, make sure to pick up your Travel Host magazine for coupon savings to incredible shows, fantastic restaurants, and awesome attractions like Beyond the Lens. Or better yet, go to couponbranson.com right now to get these deals. That's couponbranson.com.
Welcome back to Branson Country USA live from the stage of Grand Country Music Hall. We're going to get Jackie to step up to the microphone. Folks, it was 16 years ago. She left the bright lights of Nashville to move to the Ozarks and began performing with legends in concert. She's been here a month or two. The word got around town. She's a great singer. And so we invited her to come be a guest on this show, our TV show. She came over to rehearse the TV show that day and I heard her sing. I told the boys of the band, I said, this is the finest female singer in this town. That night on the show, standing ovation, took the roof off the place. And I whispered in her ear, if we ever get a job opening, we want you on the team. team. Well, 2 years later, the opportunity came about, and she joined our show. She's been here for the past 14 years. It's kind of neat tonight. The 2 songs she picked for you are the first 2 songs she sang as a regular member of the Grand Jubilee. She's going to bring them for you tonight. Put your hands together for Jackie Brown.
Thank you so much, Mike. Hey, everybody. Here's a Lynn Anderson tune for you. Saturday night and my daddy's up late a-picking with my Uncle Bill. The neighbors don't mind 'cause they have a good time sipping on my pappy still. Old brother Ben got a fiddle in his head and mama's on a mandolin. When the music is right and the band is tight, you wanna see him pick and run, and everybody starts moving to the sound of the guitar strums, and everybody starts moving to the beat of the rhythm and drums. So come on, let yourself free, go and rock to the music and fun. Sip that wine and have a really good time. Listen to a country song. Shit, Brandy never comes around knocking on a cold back door. As a matter of fact, you can find him in the back, picking on his own banjo. My brother Jack sneaks up from the back and trying to get to Sister Sue. Well, she throws him on the ground without turning around. She knows a little jujitsu, and everybody starts moving to the sound of the guitar strums, and everybody starts moving to the beat of the rhythm and the drums. So come on, let yourself free, go and rock to the music and fun. Sip that wine and have a really good time. Listen to a country song. Moving to the sound of the guitar strums, and everybody starts moving to the beat of the rhythm and the drums. So come on, let yourself really go and rock to the music and fun. Sip that wine and have a really good time. Listen to a country song. Hey, we're gonna sip that wine and have a really good time. Listen to a country song. More time. Sip that wine and have a really good time. Listen to a country song. Thank you very much. Woo, I forgot how out of breath I got when I sang that song. It's been a long time, but yeah, so this next song, I also sang my very first song 14 years ago. It's an old classic favorite by the First Lady of Country Music. I'm sure you remember it. Stand By Your Man. Sometimes it's hard to be a woman, giving all your love to just one man. You'll have bad times and he'll have good times, doing things that you don't understand. But if you love him, you forgive him, even though he's hard to understand. And if you love him, oh, be proud of him, 'cause after all, he's just a man. Stand by your man, give him 2 arms to cling to, and something warm to come to when nights are cold and lonely. Stand by your man and show the world you love him. Keep giving all the love you can.
Jackie. That is mighty fine. Michael's going to step away from the piano because Jamie's going to sit down at the piano right now. Yeah. And he's going to take you kind of getting rough with Michael there. He's going to take you back to 1972, one of my very favorite Mel Street songs. Here's Jamie with Borrowed Angel.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you. Oh, that's mighty fine. Her fingers feel so gentle with her hand in mine. Her hair feels like silk on my arm. Her lips tell me so tenderly she's mine alone. Until we part tonight and she goes home. Borrowed angel belongs to someone else. I love my borrowed angel. I just can't help myself. That ring on her finger don't belong to me, but she loves me, and I know she'll save some borrowed time for me. How about some country music, boy? I wish that I could have her for more than just one night. We can't go on like this, it isn't right. When that lonesome feeling comes knocking on my door, I'll call my borrowed angel to ease the pain once more. Borrowed angel belongs to someone else. I love my borrowed angel. I just can't help myself. That ring on her finger, it don't belong to me, but she loves me, and I know she'll save some borrowed time for me. Yes, she loves me, and I know she'll save some borrowed time for me.
Good job on that.
Thank you. Good job.
And a hand for the band. Don't they sound good tonight? We're playing some country music.
That was country music.
I appreciate you doing that. We have to take a break. You don't want to go anywhere. We come back. We have one of the longest running acts in country and western music. One of the classiest acts
Absolutely.
in country and western music. Coming up next, the Sons of the Pioneers, right here on Branson Country, USA.
From the heart of the Ozark Mountains is Branson, Missouri, the live entertainment capital of the world. In the center of all the action is Grand Country, the perfect place for family fun. And our all-inclusive package has it all. Lodging at Grand Country, Flash Country Water Park passes, unlimited meals and beverages, family passes to all our shows, unlimited mini golf and go-karts, 2-day tickets to Silver Dollar City, and a family pass to Dolly Parton Stampede. Call 888-505-4094 or visit grandcountry.com. For Branson's best afternoon of fun and laughter, don't miss the Comedy Jamboree, starring funny guys Applejack, Stretch McCord, and Andy Parks, along with the Jamboree singers, Piano Player of the Year Tracy Houston, and the award-winning Grand Band, featuring hilarious clean comedy, great dancing, and today's country hits. This show is a hot ticket. For more information, call 417-335-2484 or visit grandcountry.com. That's the Comedy Jamboree.
So much. Welcome back to Branson Country, USA. We throw the term legend around loosely these days, but these folks here are truly legends. It's very seldom that we have guests on our show that have been in motion pictures and television, radio, recording for years and years. They are truly legends. Would you please make welcome the Sons of the Pioneers?
In my song as I ride along, I'm just a happy roving cowboy, herding the dark clouds out of the sky, keeping the heavens blue. Nowhere to go and nothing to do, I'm just a happy roving cowboy.
Let me ride that long trail down to the end where the skies are always blue.
Hear my song as I ride along, I'm just a happy roving cowboy, herding the dark clouds out of the sky, keeping the heavens blue. Yep.
I'm just a happy roving cowboy.
Let me make my bed where the varmints prowl beneath the skies of blue. Hear my song as I ride along, I'm just a happy roving cowboy, herding the dark clouds out of the sky, keeping the heavens blue, keeping the heavens blue.
Thank you so much. Such a thrill to be back here on stage at Branson Country, USA. We'd like to do a song right now that we recorded a long time ago. It's been a Pioneer's favorite. Goes back to 1949. It sounds like this.
That old cowpoke went riding out one dark and windy day. Upon a ridge he rested as he went along his way, when all at once a mighty herd of red-eyed cows he saw lower through the ragged sky and up a cloudy draw. Aye, yippee-i-oh, those riders in the sky. Their brands were still on fire and their hooves were made of steel. Their horns were black and shiny and their hot breath he could feel. A bolt of fear went through him as they thundered to the sky, for he saw the riders coming hard, and he heard their mournful cry. Aye, riders in the sky. Yep. I-oh, I am. Riders looked on by him, he heard one call his name. If you want to save your soul from hell or riding on a range, then cowboy, change your ways today, or with us you will ride. trying to catch that devil's herd across these endless skies. Yippee-I-O. Ghost riders in the sky. Ghost riders in the See them tumbling down, letting their love to the ground. Lonely but free I'll be found, drifting along with the tumbling tumbleweed. Cares of the past are behind. Nowhere to go but now find just where the trail will wind, drifting along with the tumbling tumbleweeds. I know when night is gone that a new world's born and dawn. I'll keep rolling along. Deep in my heart is a song. Here on the range I belong, drifting along with the tumbling
How about it for the Sons of the Pioneers? Wow, oh wow, oh wow. Mighty fine, guys, mighty fine for sure. Now you guys, you were talking backstage earlier, you guys are spread all over the country, aren't you? We are. Where are y'all from?
Well, we have.
Where you're from.
I know where you're from too. I've been to your house. Yes. Ken Lattimore, right here, native of Marshall, Texas. We have Dusty Rogers. He's a California boy but lives in Stone County now. Tommy Nally there on lead guitar. He is originally from Beaumont, lives in Taney County now, Beaumont, Texas. Yeah. Our flying fiddler from Seattle, Washington, Paul Elliott. And handling the big upright bass from a little place out California way, near San Francisco, out there in the Bay Territory, Oakland, California, Chuck Irvin.
There you go. Y'all are nearly coast to coast, aren't you? Absolutely. And you're back out on the road now. Things are kind of starting to get normal again, aren't they?
They certainly are. We've got a big tour coming up in May. We call it the Northern Trail Drive, and you can check out our website for all of that. And we're going to be in several cities throughout the first and mid part of May, and then end up in Southern California Memorial Day weekend at Pioneer Town. So,
sounds fun. What's your website?
sonsofthepioneers.org.
That's easy, right there. Check them out for sure. And anytime you guys are all together here in Taney County, come by and be with us again, will you?
We'd love to come do that, Jamie. Good to be here.
Absolutely. Another hand for these legendary performers. It's always good to have them. They do such a great job. We're going to take a little break and come back with some more country music for you right after this with more Branson Country USA. Stay with us.
Are you ready for the family vacation of your dreams? Our all-inclusive Grand Country Vacation Package gives you everything you need for your family getaway. Your all-inclusive vacation includes accommodations for the entire family at the Grand Country Resort. Enjoy all-you-can-eat meals, drinks, and delicious frozen custard during your entire stay. Make a splash at our indoor water park, then grab the kids and run on over to your favorite shows, the Grand Country Jubilee, Comedy Jamboree, and more. Take your best swing at unlimited mini golf, indoor or outdoor. Then take a ride on our indoor go-karts. Just just a hop, skip, and a jump down the road, you'll be making your way to Dolly Parton's Stampede, the most fun place to eat in Branson. Silver Dollar City will be waiting for you and your family with our day pass. What a thrill! This dream vacation starts as low as $1343.99. That's a 25% savings and a whole lot of fun. To book your dream vacation, call or visit us at grandcountry.com, and we'll see you here.
Oh, thank you so much. Welcome back to Branson Country USA. We've just heard the western side of country western music. You're about to hear the countryside of country western music right now, and it don't get more country than Melody Hart. Come on, honey.
Hey, Jamie. Ain't just a word, it's a feeling. Thank you. A feeling of loneliness that I can feel right now. Love has looked at me and tried to change me. I wish that love would take me just for what I am. Just for what I am. I want someone to love me, someone who won't expect me to be like their own memory. Just for what they see, and just for being me. I want someone to love me, just for what I am. Oh, I tell you, boy. Let's hear it for Chatty Apple. Pride ain't just a sound, it's a sadness. A sadness that lives with me and follows me around. Love wants me to be someone I can't be. I wish that love would take me just for what I am. Just for what I am. I want someone to love me, someone who won't expect me to be like their own memory. Just for what they see, and just for being me. I want someone to love me, just for what I am. Oh, I want someone to love me, just for what I am. Thank you very much. Well, right now I'd like to do you a song that I did on my bluegrass album. That was back in 2008, I do believe. And the guy that was helping produce it for me, I called him. I said, "Hey, I'd like to do this song." "Are you kidding me?" he said. "That's a great country song." And but we pulled it off. It's one of my favorites by Miss Crystal Gale from 1976, called "Ready for the Times to Get Better." I've got to tell you, I've been racking my brain, hoping to find a way out. I've had enough of this continual rain. Changes are coming, no doubt. It's been a too long time.
Thank you for singing that bluegrass version of that song. How about some bluegrass fiddle? How about that? How about some bluegrass twin fiddle? Why? Because we can do it. Here's the kids with some Gold Rush. Come on. Everybody. Wayne and Melody and the Tire Rhinestone Mob. Don't forget, Down Home Country is back right now, Wednesday through Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And April, May, it'll be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 10 a.m., that's our classic country show. Stars Melody, Jamie, Jared Doherty, and the entire band here. Good old classic country music. Call 417-335-2484.
That's right.
You know when we come back, what we have time for?
What?
A story from Larry.
Are you kidding me?
The Lord's shining on us tonight.
Oh, we are blessed people, friends. We'll take a break and come back with Larry right after this with more Branson Country USA.
When you're ready for authentic country music, look no further than the Down Home Country Show. Branson's Entertainer of the Year, Jamie Hagee, is the best at bringing country music to life. You'll love Branson's Fiddle Player of the Year, Melody Hart. Comedian of the Year, Jared Doherty, will keep you in tears. Enjoy all of the songs that made you fall in love with country music. Showtime is 10 a.m. Monday through Friday. Call 417-335-2484 or visit grandcountry.com.
Comedy time, friends. And nobody does comedy like Larry Allred. Here he is, folks. How about a hand for him? Come on, Larry.
Well, thank y'all. How's everybody doing tonight? Oh, I hope you're still good after I'm done with this story. I really do. All right. This is a story about an Italian mama. Have we got any Italian mamas in here tonight? Maybe?
Mamma mia.
Anybody like Olive Garden?
Oh, yeah.
Tostinos.
Well, yeah. Hey, listen now. Yeah. Miss Ravioli comes to visit her son Anthony for dinner. and he lives with a female roommate. Her name is Maria. Well, during the course of the meal, his mother could not help but notice how pretty Anthony's roommate is. Everybody say, ooh. Over the course of the evening, while watching the two interact, she started to wonder if there was more between Anthony and his roommate than met the eye, everybody. Well, reading his mama's thoughts, Anthony volunteered. Now listen, Mom, I know what you must be thinking, but I assure you, Maria and I are just roommates. Well, about a week later, Maria came to Anthony saying, ever since your mother came to dinner, I have not been able to find the silver sugar bowl. Everybody say, oh no. You don't suppose she took it, do you? Well, I doubt it, said Anthony, but I'll email her just to be sure. Just to be sure. So he sat down and wrote an email. Dear Mama, I'm not saying that you did take the sugar bowl from my house, and I'm not saying that you did not take it, but the fact remains that it has been missing ever since you were here for dinner. Your loving son, Anthony. Well, several days later, Anthony received a response email from his mama which read, Dear son, I'm not saying that you're fooling around with Maria, and I'm not saying that you are fooling around with Maria, but the fact remains, if she was in her own room, she would have found the sugar bowl. The end.
Right there.
This is as bad as a Jerry Springer show, right?
Thank you, Larry. Trying to put families back together. Have you had a good time? We have another big hand for the Sons of the Pioneers. A class act for sure. Sonsofthepioneers.org. Check their schedules. You want to catch them in concert. Next week, we have one of our very favorites, the star of the Grand Ole Opry, Mary Lou Turner, going to be here on this stage.
But first, gospel music with New South. Here they are. Sing, boys.
Roads were icy, snow was falling, trees were high. I was weary from my driving, so I stopped to walk for a while. I sat down at a truck stop. I was thinking about my past. I've had a long streak of that bad luck, but I pray it's gone at last, gone at last. Gone at last, gone at last, gone at last. I've had a long streak of that bad luck, and I pray it's gone at last.
Once in a while, from out of nowhere, when you don't expect it and you're unprepared, somebody will come and lift you higher, and your burdens will be shared.
I do believe still be sinking fast. I've had a long
Streak of that bad luck, and I pray it's gone at last, gone at last, gone at last, gone at last, gone at last. I've had a long streak of that bad luck, and I pray it's gone at last, gone at last, gone at last, gone at last, gone at last. I've had a long streak of that bad luck, and I pray it's gone at last. Yes, I pray it's gone at last. Oh, yes, I pray it's gone at last.
Thanks for being with us. Join us next week. Good night and God bless y'all.
Branson Country USA is produced live at Grand Country Music Hall, located on the famed 76 Country Boulevard in Branson, Missouri. Our executive producer is Glenn Robinson. Producer is Mike Patrick. Associate producer is Andy Holloway. Production manager is Chris Wainscott. Musical directors are Gene Mulvaney and Michael W. Davis. The Rhinestone Mafia is made up of Chad Cathell on lead guitar, Gene Mulvaney on steel guitar and electric guitar. On drums, Rob Blackburn. Wayne Massengale on the fiddle, bass guitar, Larry Allred. And and Michael W. Davis on piano. Wardrobe design by Megan B. Williams. Sound engineers are Phil Morris, Don Newman, and Daryl Dugan. Lighting coordinators are Michelle Dugan and Martin Bautista. Video production director is Shauna Helsley. Post-video production editor is Shannon Thomason. Our box office and group sales director is Helena Campbell. If you'd like to be in our studio audience, just call for tickets. Call 417-335-2484 or visit www.grandcountry.com. We'd love to have you. From everyone at Grand Country Music Hall, thank you for joining us for another Branson Country USA.